Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. You may be wondering what this is. And this is a rainbow Jello mixture we made for the Twirlywoos to go swimming in. Oh, what fun. Let's mix it around. Where are the Twirlywoos? Twirlywoo! Woohoo! Oh, hello, great big who. Twirlywoos! Hello, chickadee. Twirlywoos and chick. And we can't forget about toodaloo. I'm getting it all ready for you, Twirlywoos. We're mixing it up. And look at the colors. We have red, green, and blue Jello. Hey, great big who, you jump on in. Woo! Ooh, look at how jiggly it is. Chick, woo! And chickadee, woo! And toodaloo, your turn. Toodaloo! Oh dear, chickadee is sinking. Come back up, chickadee. Woohoo! Woohoo! Toodaloo's going under. Woohoo! And great big who is going under. Oh, and they're all covered in rainbow jelly. How much fun. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.